YouTube? Team Midnight, back at it with a BMW X3 G01. About the X3, so let's take a look at my X3. Ta-da! Now here's the fancy little thing you might not know, and you might know. What you're gonna need for this trick is your key fob. That's all you need. Nice M logos, right? So all you gotta do is, this is the unlock button, right? Now press and hold it and watch what happens. Now the two front windows are actually already down, but as you can see, all the windows are down now. See that? This little part stays there, but as you can see, it all opens, and same way. I think this is a classic BMW trick, but in case you didn't know, now you know. The BMW logo right here, press and hold it, locks the car. As you can see, mirrors fold in, and yes, all the windows go up. See? My windows are a little bit dirty, but you get the idea. It's a great little neat feature, and yeah, stay tuned for more BMW X3 G01 videos. M performance, baby.